Oh yeah. Feel the beat, mom. Oh yeah. Living on Jack's Beach, living on Jack's Beach. I am a bum and I'm living on Jack's Beach. Looking all around at the pretty ladies. I want them to be my babies. Feed me some water, drink me some food. Oh, I messed that up. I'm so rude. Give me money now. Oh, that's okay. Look, there's a cow. Am I tripping? Am I tripping? No, I'm sipping. No, I'm sipping. I'm a crazy Jack's Beach bum. Yeah, crazy Jack's Beach bum. Yeah, it's okay, man. Just clap your hands. Tomorrow's a new day. Yeah, for my fans. Yeah, for my fans. Oh, yeah. Today's a new day. Tomorrow is okay. Tomorrow, I'm ready for today. I'm sipping and I'm tripping and I have no money, honey. Okay, yeah, man. I didn't graduate. No. I did not graduate. But please don't hate. I love my life. Living on the beach. I did not go to school, so I did not teach or get taught. Either way, I don't really know, cause I never graduated and I'm kinda slow. Just clap your hands. Oh yeah, man, just clap your hands. This is my friend, she is a bum too. She doesn't know English, but I should show you. Ting ting dong. That's what she say ching ching chong. And that's why I like her, because she'll never know if I'm wrong. So clap your hands. Peace out.